Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 14th of science of class 7th, that is electric current and its effects. Topics to be covered in this chapter are symbols of electric components, heating effect of electric current, magnetic effect of electric current, electromagnet and electric bell. Students, you might have tried the game How Steady Is Your Hand, suggested in chapter 12 of class 6th. Paheli and Buzo had also set up the game by connecting an electric circuit as suggested in class 6th. They had lots of fun trying it out with their families and friends. They enjoyed it so much that they decided to suggest it to a cousin of theirs who stayed in a different town. So Paheli made a neat drawing showing how the various electric components were to be connected. Students, you can see in this figure. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर इस फिगर में पहेली ने ड्रॉ करने के लिए सेल ड्रॉ किया है, बल्ब ड्रॉ किया है, वायर ड्रॉ किया है, लेकिन ये इजी नहीं होता। सो इसको इजी ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम इसकी जगह पर सिंबल्स यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे सेल का सिंबल यूज़ करेंगे, बल्ब का सिंबल्स यूज़ करेंगे एंड वायर्स के सिंबल्स यूज़ करेंगे। सो वी विल स्टडी अबाउट सिंबल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक कंपोनेंट्स. Some common electric components can be represented by symbol. Students, in this slide, some electric components and their symbols are shown. You may come across different symbols for these components in different books. However, in this book, we shall be using the symbols shown here. Look at the symbols carefully. In the symbol for the electric cell, students, look carefully the symbol for the electric cell. Notice that there is a longer line and a shorter but thicker parallel line. Do you recall that an electric cell has a positive terminal and a negative terminal? In the symbol of electric cell, the longer line represents the positive terminal and the thicker shorter line represents the negative terminal. You can see the symbol of electric bulb. For a switch, the on position and the off position are represented by the symbols as shown. The wires used to connect the various components in a circuit are represented by lines. In this slide, a battery and its symbol are also shown. Do you know what a battery is? Look at the symbol of a battery. Can you make out what a battery could be? For some of the activities, we may need more than one cell. So we connect two or more cells together. The positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Such a combination of two or more cells is called a battery. And last, a line is a symbol of wire. Many devices such as torches, transistors, toys, TV remote controls use batteries. However, in some of these devices, the electric cells are not always placed one after the other, as shown in figure 14.2. Sometimes the cells are placed side by side. Then, how are the terminals of the cells connected? Look carefully inside the battery compartment of any device. There is usually a thick wire or a metal strip connecting the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next cell, like in figure 14.3. In order to help you to place the cells correctly in the battery compartment, positive and negative symbols are usually printed there. Students, how can we connect the cells to prepare batteries for our activities? You may make a cell holder as shown in figure 14.4 using a wooden block, two iron strips and rubber bands. It is necessary that the rubber bands hold the metal strips tightly. You could also buy cell holders from the market for making batteries of two or more electric cells. Place the cells in them properly, such that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Connect a piece of wire each of the two metal clips on the cell holder as shown in figure 14.5. Your battery is ready for use. The symbol used for representing a battery is shown in table 14.1 in your textbook on page number 161. Let us now draw a circuit diagram of an electric circuit using symbols. Students, make the electric circuit shown in figure 14.7. As you know that a simple electric circuit can be made by using a cell, electric bulb, switch and wires. You used a similar circuit in class 6th to make an electric bulb glow. Do you remember that the bulb glows only when the switch is in the on position? The bulb glows as soon as the switch is moved to the on position. Copy this electric circuit in your notebook. Make also a circuit diagram of this circuit using symbols for the various electric components. Is your diagram similar to the one shown in figure 14.8? It is much easier to draw a circuit diagram using symbols. Therefore, we generally represent an electric circuit by its circuit diagram. Figure 14.9 shows another circuit diagram. Is it identical to the circuit diagram shown in figure 14.8? In which way is it different? Would the bulb glow in this electric circuit? Recall that the bulb glows only when the switch is in the on position and the electric circuit is closed. In the bulb there is a thin wire called the filament, which glows when an electric current passes through it. When the bulb gets fused, its filament is broken. Students, what do you think? That if the filament of the bulb is broken, would the circuit be complete? Would the bulb still glow? So answer of this question is, if the filament of the bulb is broken, the circuit is not completed and hence the current cannot flow. When a bulb gets fused, it does not light up. Students, the key or switch can be placed anywhere in the circuit. When the switch is in the on position, the circuit from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal is complete. The circuit is then said to be closed and then current flows throughout the circuit instantly. When the switch is in the off position, the circuit is incomplete. It is said to be open. No current flows through any part of the circuit. Paheli and Buzo wonder whether the batteries used in tractors, trucks and inverters are also made from cells. Then why is it called a battery? Can you help them to find the answer of this question? Answer of this question is, the battery used in tractors, trucks and inverters is a combination of several cells. The cells are not dry cells. These are the several sets of plates and each set of plates acts like a cell. स्टूडेंट्स, इस चैप्टर में हमने स्टडी किया इलेक्ट्रिक कंपोनेंट्स के सिंबल्स के बारे में एंड सिंबल्स के थ्रू हम किसी भी इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट को कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिक सेल में एक पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल होता है एंड एक नेगेटिव टर्मिनल होता है। और जो इलेक्ट्रिक सेल का सिंबल होता है उसमें एक लॉन्गर लाइन होती है और एक शॉर्टर लाइन होती है। लॉन्गर लाइन पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल होती है और शॉर्टर लाइन नेगेटिव टर्मिनल होती है। बैटरी टू और मोर सेल्स का कॉम्बिनेशन है। बैटरी में पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, एक सेल का पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल को दूसरे सेल के नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से जॉइन करना होता है। कुछ डिवाइसेस होती हैं जैसे टॉर्च, टॉयज, जिसमें इलेक्ट्रिक सेल को हम एक दूसरे के बाद लगा के अरेंज कर सकते हैं। और कुछ डिवाइसेस होती हैं जिसमें हम इलेक्ट्रिक सेल को साइड बाय साइड रखकर अरेंज कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर हम एक सेल के नेगेटिव टर्मिनल को दूसरे सेल के पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से एक थिक वायर या मेटल स्ट्रिप से कनेक्ट करते हैं। वायर्स, स्विच, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब और सेल को यूज़ करके हम सिंपल इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट बना सकते हैं। एंड स्टूडेंट्स, क्लोज्ड सर्किट में बल्ब ग्लो होता है एंड ओपन सर्किट में बल्ब ग्लो नहीं होता है, क्योंकि क्लोज सर्किट में सर्किट कंप्लीट होता है और उसमें करंट फ्लो होता है। एंड ओपन सर्किट में सर्किट कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, इसमें करंट फ्लो नहीं होता है, इसलिए बल्ब ग्लो नहीं होता। स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। थैंक यू।